Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old-time subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you all. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken samosa. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. So for this recipe, I have chicken breast, and I season the chicken breast with paprika, cayenne pepper, curry, seasoning powder, thyme, dried habanero pepper, and salt. So I added all the seasoning to the chicken breast and I stirred everything together, covered to marinate for about 30 to 45 minutes. So after marinating for about 45 minutes, and the purpose of marinating is to allow the ingredients to saturate and soak well in the chicken. So after marinating, I fried the chicken. So after frying the chicken, I pieced it using 2 forks to separate it into smaller pieces, as it will be used for the samosa fillings. So for the samosa filling, I have already shredded carrots, and I have cabbage. I have half of a regular sized cabbage that I used for something else, and also a medium sized cabbage. I think I ended up using just half of the regular sized cabbage and about quarter of the medium sized cabbage. I didn't use all the whole cabbage for this recipe. To make the samosa filling in a bowl, I added cabbage and carrots, and then the chicken. I added hot sauce, mayo, and ketchup. Some people usually add the mayonnaise before the ketchup. They usually add mayonnaise and ketchup before the hot sauce, but then I don't really think the order actually matters, because at the end of the day, you're still going to stir everything together and mix it properly. So if you're going to add your sauce first before the mayo, the order doesn't really matter anyways. So after stirring it for a while, and I tasted it wasn't spicy enough, so I had to add fresh blended habanero pepper. This is totally optional. You do not have to do this. Anyway, if you know me and you've been following any of my food video, you will know that I have special love for this habanero pepper anyways, so that was why I added it. It is totally optional. If it tastes just perfect the way you like it, that's okay. And I also added some lime. I squeezed half of a medium sized lime to it to give it some tanging, and stirred everything together, and it was ready for the fillings anyways. So to seal the samosa, I used all-purpose flour. I mixed all-purpose flour with water, and I added the water bit by bit to be able to achieve the consistency I needed to use to seal the samosa. So I used a medium-sized tortilla wrap. I think this is a flour tortilla wrap. I cut it in half and then used it in halves, as you guys will see in the video. So to seal it, I usually apply the paste I made from the all-purpose flour. I usually apply it on the edges to fold the samosa wrap into a cone shape. Sorry guys for the quality of this video. For some reason the camera was in and out of focus when I was folding the samosa wrap, but then I think you guys will get a hang of it if you watch like one or two of it on how to fold the samosa wrap. I was just basically folding it into a cone shape, and then I dished the chicken filling I already made into it, and then applied some more of the flour paste on the edge to be able to seal it properly. So I fried the samosa on a medium to low heat. You don't want to use a high heat because this is tortilla and it's already cooked. Or I don't know if cooked is the right word. If you're using a tortilla, you don't have to fry for long. That's my whole point. If you're using a tortilla to make this samosa, you don't have to fry it for that long. Just fry until it's golden brown, and ensure that you flip to the other side too, so that all parts of the samosa could be properly done. So this is what the samosa turned out to be, looking very beautiful and appetizing, and it actually tasted really great. I actually made a sauce for it. This is totally optional as well. If you do not want to use a sauce, it tasted good, you can eat it on its own. If you guys want to know my recipe for the sauce, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.